welcome to my channel. I have a special unboxing for you today, so just sit back, relax, and let's start this video. So I have a pair of shoes that was sent to me by this beautiful brand called Empress, and they are in Australia. So this little box with shoes came all the way from down under, and I wanted to unbox this with you, try them on, and just give you my honest review. First of all, I love the box. It has this beautiful purple color, and the box is so sturdy. I don't know why, but I have a thing for shoes boxes. I like to keep them all if possible. However, I don't have enough space at home, and I have to say that I have parted ways with a lot of my shoes boxes since we moved into the new place. But hey ho, sturdy box, beautiful, looks super cute, and I love the little bunny just enjoying themselves on the cloud. So let's open the box. So this, as I said, is an Australian brand created by two brothers, Daniel and Kevin. They wanted to create a comfortable and stylish shoe for their mother. So I love the little story behind the creation of this brand. And once you open the box, you get a cute little purple flower. And let me unwrap the shoes. So I have the square toe flat in size 36. 36 is my size. They are true to size. The leather smells amazing and it is buttery soft. Let's remove all the unnecessary things and let's have a little close up. Voila. So here we have the square toe, Mary Jane style. This is adjustable, so it's not tight around your foot, and no heel because it is a flat. I do believe that they have a heel option, but this was not for me. As I said, size 36. They seem to be very true to a size, and they come with these insoles for extra arch support for anyone who needs it. They're super soft, very comfortable, and as they describe the shoes on their website, it feels as if you're walking on 1,000 squishy marshmallows. What you thought of the shoes, guys. I will ensure to leave the website details in the description box down below for you to check it out, and I might have a discount code for you. If I was to compare the two styles, the ones that I have, the flat toe with the heeled ones, I think for me it's easier and more comfortable to wear every day the flat version. I mean, if someone wants a little bit of a heel, the heel option is really good as well. I look forward to styling them with summer linen dresses like the one I'm wearing today, shorts, silk skirts, jeans as well. It wouldn't be a shoe that I would necessarily wear for a date night with a fancy dress or anything like that, because for that style I would opt for some summer sandals or high heels or open sandals. But for my day-to-day activities, for errands, for shopping, grabbing a coffee. I can see myself wearing them all the time. And actually, as I am dressed and I'm ready to go, I'm gonna take you with me. Let me just put some more lip balm on. I have this beautiful one from LiQWYD that I absolutely adore. So let's go to break the shoes in. Let's go out and about. It's a beautiful sunny day and I really want to make the most of my shoes and this cute little dress. As always, thank you so much for watching, guys. Until the next video, a big kiss from me.